Sorry for the delay. We're going to go bee hunting. Friggin' March 26th, I think it's Wednesday. And we just had the entire hive, not the entire one, but I guess half the hive swarm off and land a tree. And that's a lot of dog shit. Sam's going to try to bring her girls back home. I'm unwittingly tied to this due to marriage.
What was that?
It's fucking great.
Okay.
I don't know if we can see the bees. There's a lot of glare here, but
You want to come behind me? Well, over my shoulder because you're taller. Okay, ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, I'm good.
Alright, I'm just going to take a step back. Yeah. Well, you got most of them.
Gonna top it?
What?
Oh, God. Oh, piss.
Yeah.
Go in the box.
So we're going to do lit it up now and
Yeah.
are they going to be able to get in?
We'll go to the front. Okay.
Well, you sure pissed them off.
Now let's give it some time to find the hole. See the one inside?
Yeah.
That means the queen's in, hopefully.
So now what?
We just wait till they go in the box and then move.
How are we going to move them?
I'm gonna drag the sheet. Got the cover strap.
Well, now seems a good time to go back to the patio. We got to stand here and wait. We got to stand here and wait. Yeah? Let's go to the porch.
Thanks, babe.
Okay,
Yay.
let's get the hell out of here. Good God. Oh, and Sam almost got bit by a gator.
It's my phone.
Huh?
My pocket.
There's pockets in these things?
My phone.
Nah, it's back over there on the porch.
I want to take a picture real quick. Can you stop recording?
No, you gotta understand. This doesn't work without the glove.
Where's it at?